Creating a Google business profile costs nothing and can truly help your business grow. Yet, small mistakes during setup can seriously affect your visibility. Let's set it up the right way. I'm Olaf from MarketlyX, and through working with hundreds of companies, we realized that profiles that are set up correctly from the start have less problems and rank better on Google and Google Maps. That's why in this video I will show you step by step how to create a brand new Google business profile the right way so your business can start showing up fast and without problems later on. Before we start, one very important thing to understand. Creating a Google business profile is not just filling out fields. The choices you make during setup, especially business type and category, determine where, when, and if Google will show your business at all. It is a one-time process that takes just a couple of minutes, but doing it right will save you headaches later. Let's start with the tutorial. The first thing you need to do is open your browser and log into the Google account where you want your Google business profile to be connected to. We would recommend using a specific Google account made just for your business. If you don't know how to do that yet, you can check out the video listed below in the description. Once you are logged in, go to business.google.com and click Start Now. Here, you can enter your business name. It should be exactly as it appears on your signage, website, and marketing materials. If Google suggests similar businesses, check carefully if your business isn't there already. You do not want to accidentally claim someone else's profile or create a duplicate. That can cause major issues later. If your business does not exist, just click on Continue. Now, choose your business type. This is one of the most critical steps because it tells Google how to show your profile, where to show your profile, and which options or features to allow you. Your options are local store, which is a physical location customers can visit, like a restaurant, salon, or shop. Service business, which means you provide services at customer locations like cleaning, plumbing, or consulting. Or online retail, which primarily are online stores. You can select 1, 2, or even all 3 if it reflects your business accurately. Choosing the wrong type now can limit visibility or confuse Google about your services. After you chose the right types, click on Next. Now it's time to choose the business category. This step directly affects how Google understands your business and in which searches it shows your profile. A good strategy is to go to Google Maps, search for your main competitors, and see which category do they use. We also recommend searching in some of the bigger cities like New York, Miami, or Dubai. The goal here is not to choose a category based on what sounds good, but to choose the one that best represents what your customers actually search for when they want your service. Once your category is set, click on Next. If you selected local business, Google will ask for your physical address. Enter the address where customers can actually visit you. Be very precise with it and make sure it's the exact same as on your website, social media, and citations. Then go to Next. Now, Google may show you a list of similar businesses. Scroll down to check if maybe your business is already available here. If none of these are yours, select none of these and go to Next. Google now gives us the option to select the exact location of your business. To reposition the pin, click on Adjust. Then you can zoom in, zoom out, and place your pin at your business's exact location. Make sure the pin is positioned precisely on your business building. If your business has a customer parking, we generally also recommend placing the pin on the building itself, but slightly closer to the parking area. This can help customers find parking more easily and reach your business faster. Then click on Next. Now add your contact details, phone number, website, or messaging options like WhatsApp or SMS. Make sure everything is written properly. We often see business owners write their contact details wrong. Accurate information ensures customers can reach you immediately and helps also Google trust your profile. If you want to add WhatsApp, make sure you don't just write your number. you need to use a link that goes like this. And then use the country code and write your full number. Then click Next. Now Google may show you notifications about tips, news or offers. We recommend turning them off and clicking Continue because they aren't that important. Next, Google might offer verification methods depending on your business. Follow the option Google provides and complete it carefully by simply following Google's steps. Our recommendation is always the video verification if it's available. It's often the strongest verification method for Google. Right now, I will just click More Options and select Verify Later. After you have verified your profile, add your business hours one by one. And then, once you are done, click on Next. Now, you can add your business description. Here, focus on the most important information for your customers, like who you are, what you do, what sets you apart, and what do you want potential customers to do next. If you don't have a description yet, it can always be added later, so we can skip it right now. Next, you can upload a storefront photo. Just click on Select Images. If you don't have one, it's fine to skip it. You can add it anytime. Now Google wants general business pictures and content. Here, just as before, the same thing. If you don't have them yet, it's fine to skip it. You can add them anytime. Important is to use high quality content because it improves engagement, helps your profile stand out, and increases the likelihood of clicks and calls. Now Google may suggest free Google Ad spend. This is just Google trying to sell you on Google Ads. For now, since we are only focusing on free organic reach, click Skip. You will have the option later as well. Now Google is also trying to sell you on Google Workspace. This one you can skip as well. And now your Google business profile has been created. Congratulations! Every step you have just done correctly ensures your profile is visible and ready to attract customers immediately. The next step is optimizing your profile so it can actually compete and rank. To help you do that, we have included useful resources, tools, and links in the description below. If you would like expert help, you will find the details on how you can work with us there as well. Otherwise, check out our playlist for step-by-step tutorials that walk you through the entire process. Have a good day and see you next time.